A6. Remove the 2 screws under the passenger storage compartment. Pry open the air conditioning panel. Unplug the original car air conditioning cable. Unscrew the screws. Pry open the panel. Use appropriate force to remove the original car host. Press and hold the brake. Shift to R gear and remove the original car engine. Switch back to P mode. Pull out the Grail's cable and the original vehicle power cable. Organize wiring harness. Transfer the original car air conditioning cable. Transfer the original vehicle power cord. Insert the CarPlay power cord into the original car console. Insert the CarPlay OBS cable into the gray interface behind the original car host. Place the CarPlay OBS cable on the passenger side. Organize the cables and insert the original car host back into the center console. Connect the wires at the end of the CarPlay box. Dial a 6 dedicated dialing code. The antenna cannot be attached to iron. Organize the internal wiring of the central control panel, and then plug the original car host back in. The USB cable is placed in the passenger glove box. Select the original car audio to O. Select O. Press the NAV key for 3 seconds to switch. Thank you for watching.